How to use parental control in Reddit. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Now first thing first, you want to launch open the Reddit on your device. Click the avatar icon from the top right corner of your screen. Go to settings from the list. So when you explore settings, you can find no such option as parental control. So Reddit does not have a built-in parental control, so you must manually adjust settings within a child's account to increase safety. You can keep settings to change include disabling search engine, indexing, or restricting private message to the uh, whitelisted group as well. So basically, what you need is you have to log into your child's account. So consider this or consider my device to be your child's device. You just need to launch open the Reddit, click on the avatar at the top, and then click on their username. Once you click on the username or go to the profile section, you want to go ahead and click on the username and find advanced section. So if you cannot find one, you go ahead and click on the avatar icon, click on settings, go to account settings, and after which you could go ahead and look for advanced settings, right? So here as well, I cannot find the advanced option. So basically what you want to do is select settings, right? So navigate to profile, and under advanced you just want to uncheck the content visibility. So what you could also do is here you could also check the visibility section. So sensitive advertising category, you could go to this, and then you could go ahead and toggle the button for all of these or turn off or disable these features. Moving on, you could also scroll down and look for content preferences as well, and this way you could go ahead and manually create parental control in Reddit. So this is how it actually is done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.